Hello, my name is Regina Garson. Welcome to my YouTube channel show. Today I'm going to be unboxing a GlossyBox. GlossyBox is a beauty box subscription service. This is how it comes. And I know lately I've mentioned in some of the other, I've been talking about, well, in different times of our life, maybe we decide we have a need for a little makeover, and that's where I am right now. So this is makeup summer. I got my makeover summer. I got my hair done not long ago, and probably just because I work from home, but suddenly I'm doing videos, and you got to get down to it. When people who work from home can be on the casual side, like those old hermits on TV can make us look good. But anyway, so I decided maybe I needed to upgrade my upgrade things just a notch if I'm going to be doing videos. So anyway, I don't always get out a lot, mostly because I work from home. But one of the things that are real big right now is all the subscription boxes, and the beauty boxes are just about as big as the meal subscription boxes. So I had been looking at those, and there's all kinds of different boxes depending on if you like makeup, or if you tend to be young and trendy, or maybe more classic, or if you like to work out a lot, or whatever you like. So anyway, I kind of looked at the different boxes a little bit, and in the scheme of things, I don't wear a whole lot of makeup, so I probably don't want a box that's going to give me a box full of makeup every month. And GlossyBox, they, the best I could figure, and the reviews that I had seen, and the other of the GlossyBox in comparison, they tend to have more all over beauty and skincare. So I thought I would try GlossyBox for a couple months and see what, you know, see how it works out. And this is my first one. And actually, I was pretty excited for that because, like I said, I'm in the middle of a little bit of a makeover time. I don't really want to be imprudent and wasteful. On the other hand, I like to upgrade things a little bit, and the beauty boxes seem to be a way that people are doing that. Now, some of them have samples. GlossyBox is supposed to have full-size products, but like I said, it's not just makeup. It is beauty, all over beauty care as well. Okay, so this is the box. Let's see how I can show you. Let's see what I've got inside. This is what comes inside. It's a very pretty box. It's pink and pink. Okay. So the ribbon and flowers. Okay. So the summer solstice. This is oh, okay. This basically just gives an overview of the products that are in the box, and I'm not actually sure how much that you can see, but anyway, that's what that is, an overview of the products. And then it's packaged pretty. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Okay, the first thing I'm going to see, and I think this month, I don't know if it's monthly or whatever. Now the boxes themselves are monthly, but GlossyBox has some kind of special deal going on with our promotion going with Karl Lagerfeld and a group of products that he has come out with, and this is Rosewood Lip Liner, and the Karl Lagerfeld products are they're generally high-end products, and they'll be nice. So it'll be nice, and I like rose-colored lipstick, so I think this will be nice. Like I said, these are full-size products. Let's see, do a little swatch. It's a good color. I like the rose-colored products, lip products. So Karl Lagerfeld is my first. Okay. Now this looks like a travel size bottle of body lotion. It's Gilchrist and Sons English Garden body lotion. So if you get a good view of that there, I'm not sure you do. Okay, that's that. Ooh, and it does smell like an English garden. Okay, and the next is, oh, perfume. Sparkling mimosa perfume. That's very pretty. It's a spray. Huh, nice. It smells expensive. After I look at the stuff, I'm going to go back to that flower and see the prices on these things. Then the next we have an Icon Mini, oh okay, a palette, gold Blitz palette. Oh, okay. Now these are the colors I like. These colors work well on me because of my dark skin and dark skin, eyes, and complexion. So that's nice. Those are pretty. And then colors that I can use. And then the last, honestly, I have not used an eyelash curler since I was in high school. But it could be it's time to pull that thing back out. So that's a nice one. It's a rose colored gold. Now I'm gonna, okay, so that's what was in the box. Now I'm gonna look back at the product and see the value of these things. Like I said, it was $21. I wanted to see the price of that perfume, honestly. Okay, the eyeshadow palette was $8.99. Oh, it says Temple Spa Resting Cream. I don't know if I got that. Oh, I did have that. Okay. I just about missed that. Temple Spa Resting Cream. I don't know what resting cream is. Oh, it's supposed to, this is supposed to help you sleep. Maybe some kind of aromatherapy. I've never heard of such, except for maybe with aromatherapy. Okay, the body lotion. A full-size bottle of that is $24, but this was a travel size, so that was not full size. The perfume, and I do believe that must be a full size of the perfume. That was 0.5 ounce for $16. That was a $16. Then the eyelash curler was $25, and the lip pencil was $29, and I already knew that the Karl Lagerfeld product was pretty high end. So anyway, so that's my first beauty box on my makeup adventure, and my plan is to subscribe to this to several months until I'm happy that I've got things back on the right track. Like I said, at different times in our life, for whatever reason, sometimes we need to upgrade our look a little bit, and I thought a beauty box might be helpful to me for a little bit of that. So anyway, I'm happy with it. If you like the GlossyBox and you want to try it too, there's a link underneath the video, and you can check out their website and more information. It runs $21 a month, and it's a monthly box, or you could get it by the month, or you can pay several months in advance if you prefer. And that's it for now. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Until next time, live your life well and have a good day.